super cool. I can't believe, yeah, that is like
He's like a child. He's like a child. Like an actual child.
a child.
Get out of
So
here.
what now? Keep asking me questions I don't know the answer to. I'm gonna let my mom cut this into 8 wedges. So we'll go half. We're gonna cut it into 8 wedges. And you know what? Something that I've used besides this huge knife, not really sure why we need it.
Mom, it says that in the instructions.
This big of a knife. You will want a 13 by 9.
Oh my God.
I'm hungry. Because my sweet daughter went to school in Texas, moved away, stayed in Texas with a job, and we never thought she would be back in our town, and now she is, and just to get to do this with her has been so fun, and just having her around is so special for us. Just having a mother-daughter relationship has so many great things about it. There's so many blessings that come from it, and we just really appreciate you joining us today. Hope that you had a lot of fun together with us.
Mom, you were literally rubbing my back like so hard the whole time. Like, stop rubbing my back. I'm gonna start like.
Let's I could see it on your face too. I was wondering
Dang it! It was a lot of rubbing.
Okay,
I just
so
got uncomfortable. I'm sorry.
Let's keep hands on the counter.
This deliciousness.
I have to do it again.
That was great.
I couldn't get it on my finger.
No, did you see how I ate it?
That was not ladylike.
Look, we're gonna gosh and blur this thing out. You won't realize that
It was the most ugly way I could have ever eaten.
Wow, this is so good. We're neat.
I'm having another bite.
We'll throw up a little.
Are we good, Wes?
Or something. Yeah.